Hello everyone, this is Shumail Heather from Tech Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how we can make an email on Cpanel. First of all, you need to log into your Cpanel, so I'm going to use this one of our website, bizvents.com/cpanel. Enter your details. Once you're logged in, then you go to this section right here, email, and click on email accounts. Now here you'll see all the list of your emails that are already made. You can see we have our 2 emails actually, and then we go ahead and create another email. So you click on create, you enter your email address. Say for example, for instance, we would go and make it test for now. That's your username, test@bizvents.com. Here you can enter your own password, or you can generate your password. Here you have option, if you want to generate your password, you have option with the length you want, letters, capital, small case, uppercase letter, numbers, symbols. So it's up to you, but you have to have a combination of numbers and letters. So I'd go ahead and just generate my own. Copy this so I can log into it. Storage space, that's up to you depending on your hosting size. Either you can limit your email address storage space, or you can just give it to them unlimited space. So there's, as long as you have space on your hosting, you will keep on getting your emails. But if you want to limit, for example, say you have an account which is not that much use, so you just limit it to 250 MBs, or you have option for GBs, TBs, and PBs. Alright, the remaining options are not that you don't have to really make any changes, but I'll just let you know what these options are. Automatically create folder for plus addressing. So that is automatically create folder. You have this option, or do not automatically create folder. So if you don't do it, then the emails would go into a custom created folder. But normally you select automatic create folders. Send welcome email with instruction and setup to the mail client. So if you want to do that, check on it. Stay on this page. After you click create, if you want to create another email address, then you just click this, create it, and then create another email address. But I will check this right now. Click on create. Now you see this test@bizvents.com has been created. Now how do we log into it? You log into it by going on BizVents, or whatever your domain is, /webmaster. I'm sorry, web mail, right? So bizvans.com/webmail. Right? You type your complete email address here, and then you copy your password that we copied, pasted. And there you go. That's your welcome page. Now you have two options for your inbox. It's simply different outlook. One is round cube. The second one is hard A. So I'll just click, leave it on round cube, and I'll open it up. Alright, so this is how round cube looks like. Now you have all this section right here, inbox, draft, sent email, junk, trash, and your archive email. This is your the main inbox area right here. And if you want to compose, you click on compose. So this is basically it. It's very simple. Now in the next video, what I'll show you is how you can configure your email on mail client or Gmail. So I'll show you on Gmail in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.